Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to assign new ringtone on every call you receive. You can customize your phone ringtones and notifications. For this one you have to open Play Store and then here you have to type Ringtone Randomizer. And you have to download and install this application. After installation you have to open this one and then you have to allow this application. Click on next and then you have to enable the permissions. You have to go back. Now you have to click on this plus icon. Now you have to select the latest and multiple ringtones that you want to assign on every new call. So we'll select this one. You can select as many ringtones as you want. Once you will select the ringtones, you have to click on add. After doing all these settings, you will listen new ringtone on every call that you will receive on your phone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.